Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we discussed about telemarketing dialer system. What is telemarketing dialer system in California? So firstly we go on Chrome browser. Chrome browser. When we go on Chrome browser, we a new tab open a new tab. When we open a new tab, we search about telemarketing, telemarketing dialer system, telemarketing dialer system in California. When we searched about telemarketing dialer system in California, we saw many websites named as Kixi.com and Excelit Tmax Predictive Dialer. So we firstly clicked on Tmax Predictive Dialer. When we clicked on Tmax Predictive Dialer, we saw this type of interface. Website names are Tmax Dialer.com, complete call center solution. This contact number, if you want services from this, you can call on this number. Tmax hosted auto dialer, predictive dialer, voice broadcast auto dialer, simple to use dialer, easy to get started, and you simply upload your contact file, then record a message, and now press play. Cell phone filter block calling cell phones and ported numbers, automatically just call out over office to get it activated. Options: Tmax, three different dialers to be choose from: the predictor, voice broadcast, or over inbound outbound blend free trial, which all three are hassle free, super flexible, and fully customizable. Area code scrub: if your company needs to eliminate calling certain areas of the country. Customer support: nevertheless, if you ever need help, we will help, be here for you every step of the way. Tmax has phone support, live chat, email, and online knowledge base at your disposal. Paired local Paired location caller ID. Match your caller ID displayed with the original office location so calls are directed to the correct office. Speed and scalability. Our new HTML hosted auto dialer is extremely fast, easy to use, and will keep up to the latest in dialer technologies. So you all have to do is grow your brand. The missing key to your scalability just a call way. Customizable features include caller ID, agent scripts, diagnosed data feed, call recording, agent and dialer report, inbound, outbound blend, and more. Location log. Lock out employees, unwanted user from everywhere except your office and your network, your approved. Best hosted. If you want services from these websites, so you can visit from for this and call to these persons of uh, have websites. So we go on another website. When we go on another website like named as Kixi.com, when we clicked on Kixi.com, we saw interface Kixi ranked auto dialer G2 Spring 2023 result. Power dialer turbocharge your outbound calling. Auto dial up to 10 numbers simultaneously, while automatic answer detection ensure you are connected only with contacts who answer the phone. More connection. Increase connections rate tenfold with parallel dialing and answer detection. Kixi multi-line progressive dialer empowers you reps to have more conversation in few dials. Automate text voicemail. Leaving voicemails and sending follow-up text is not waste of time, but doing them manually is automatic voicemail drop and SMS template with dynamic field eliminate pause between calls. Accountability is built in. Ensure accountability and keep record consistent with automatic CRM logging for calls, recordings, and text. Toggle and outcome record. Ensure apps disposition very call. Learn about Kixi. Discover how Kix Kixi can save time, help your contact, and triple your skill team productivity connection. Close more deals. Reach goals you never thought possible without putting in extra hours or cutting any concern. Get in the fast lane to success with an arsenal powerful calling feature that cut out the boring parts, selling, and free up more time for closing deal. The future of sale call is already here. How to use Kixi power dialer is this YouTube video. If you want to watch this video, so you can click on link and watching for this video. 3x productivity. Seriously, not only call volume but processor. but process improvement as well. Stop dialing now. Download Kixi and get their excellent support for setup, record, and best voice email raw message relative to your specific topic, and get ready for a whole new experience with outbound. You will be more relaxed, more focused, and more productive. Kickside kicks. I hope so, friends. You understand about telemarketing dialer system in California. Thank you for watching our video. We will be back in next video.